Creating a query and a form in Access 2016. The class teacher of 8th A has maintained a database of all registrations done in classes 6th to 8th for Olympiad using Access 2016. This is the table she created. She wanted to know how many students had registered for Science Olympiad. She created a query and got this result. She also wanted to see the complete data once, so she created a form. Let's see how she created a query first. Here is the database with the details. Click on Create tab and then on the Query Design option in the Queries group. A Show Table dialog box appears. Choose the Olympiad registration table and click on Add. Close the Show Table dialog box by clicking on the Close button. You can see the selected table in the upper section of the Query Design view and the Design grid in the lower section. Choose the fields in the Design grid from the drop-down list that appears. Let's add registration number, student name, class section, subject fields to the Design grid. Now type the search condition in the criteria list. Here, let's type Science. Check the checkbox to show the fields in the query result. Click on Save option in the Quick Access toolbar to save the query. Look, the query object has been added to the navigation pane. To execute the query, click on Run option in the Results group on the Design tab. Look, the query result appears in Datasheet view. It shows that 6 students have registered for Science Olympiad. Next, let's see how to create a form. Click on the table in the navigation pane. Go to the Forms group and click on Form. Look, a form is created in the Layout view. Click on Save. You can move from one record to another by clicking on the navigation buttons at the bottom of the form window. There, wasn't that easy?